I'm going to show you how to make the leather straps for your Savannah totes. So this is my large tote here, and for this I ordered a 60-inch strip of leather that measures 1 inch wide. So basically you'll just cut the strip in half so you'll have 2 straps. For the smaller tote, I used a little wider strap. I ordered a 42-inch strap that measures 1.5 inches wide. And then you just cut the 42-inch strap in half to make 2 straps. So all of my supplies I ordered on Amazon, and I have added links in the pattern. So if you want to order what I ordered, everything's there. Okay, so you are going to need a leather hole punch, and I ordered this on Amazon too, and I just love it. I think I paid like $11 for it, but it's super easy to use. You will need just a basic ruler or a tape measure if you don't have that. Okay, I've already told you about the leather, and next you will need screws and posts. And I've never done that. This was the first time I've actually used leather straps on a bag pattern. So I had to do a little research, and there are so many of these available on Amazon. I just did a search under leather screws. And the posts measure 8 millimeters long, and I think the actual screw is like 4 millimeters. These are plenty long. Like, these work perfectly for the thicker strap I used for the large tote. And they work for the small tote too. This leather's a little thinner, but they work pretty well. But you could definitely get away with like a 6 or 7 millimeter post. So, okay, so what we're gonna do, we take our leather strip here, and we are going to take we're going to take our ruler first, and we're going to make a mark on a piece of paper at 1/2 inch and then one at 3.5 inches. This is where we're going to place our holes. So you line your leather up. I thought I had already, I have one side already done here. You line your leather up. And for the strap that's 1.5 inches wide, you're going to measure 0.35 inches in, and you're going to make a mark. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Then we're going to go up to our 3.5 inch mark, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make a mark at 0.35 inches and then another one on the left side. Okay, and for the 1 inch leather, you're going to measure 0.25 inches in for each side instead of the 0.35 inches in, sorry. Okay, so now we're ready to make our holes. I just love this little tool. I've got mine set to like the 3rd from the bottom, so it's kind of right in the middle, the size. They don't really give like a size on here, but you want your hole big enough for the post to go through, for this to go through easily. Okay, so all you do is you place the hole punch over the dot that you made, and you just squeeze it really tight. Okay, sometimes you have to push the little piece of leather out with like a screwdriver or something. There we go, so it should look like that. Okay, so we do that for each little mark that we made. It's really easy. Okay, so I've got 2 little holes here. So then we come up to the top. Okay, I've got one more. Okay, I forgot to mention too, you will need a screwdriver. This is just my husband's screwdriver here, But I need just a flathead for these screws. So I guess depending on what screw you have, you know, you may need a Phillips. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, you can see where the holes are up here in the bag. So you're going to just feed one in through the end with the holes on the bottom. You're going to feed it through the hole in the bag. Okay, and then you're going to just line up your holes. Insert your post through both holes like that, and then the little screw will go in the back. Okay, so you just screw that on. You may not even need a screwdriver, but just like that. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Screw that on. Okay, it's that easy. Here we go. And so you're going to do the same thing then on the other end with your marks, and then punch your holes, and then feed it through and add your screws. Okay, so it'll look like this, but you'll have 2 straps. And your large tote will look like this with the longer straps.